Pirates in the Caribbean party is about to start. And I just wanted to tell you that no matter what happens tonight, I'm on your side.
Disney wonder if you're ready to party like a pirate. Let me hear you say R! R! You can be louder than that. Say R! R! Let's welcome Miss Minnie Mouse!
Hello everybody!
And let your cheers rock as the easy be Pirate Goofy!
It's ransom time!
And everybody's favorite crew, Chip and Dale!
Are you ready for a party?
We sure are. And guess what? It's your party too. Woo! Come on, everyone. Hands up, let's scream.
Come on, everybody! Dance!
Here we
Raise yourselves and say "Ah!" Minnie, are you ready to party?
Alright, Joey, so you're the captain of this party.
Alright, Billy! This is gonna be fun!
All right, Goofy, this will be a cannonball blast. But we need everybody on this side and this end to party along, pirates. And you, we heard you were a pirate move. Will you show us something?
Okay, hit it!
Looks like Goofy's doing the hoedown. Let's join in. Hey Goofy, we heard pirates shake their booty. Can you show us how to shake yours? Wow! Maybe it's a tuxedo instead. Now he's got the room.
This shit, that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Silent, violent, living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent, gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot, got the police and the firemen, I'm too hot. The dragon wants to retire, man, I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am, I'm too hot. I'm stand up, that's what Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. I said uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Uptown, funk you up. Come on.
Me? Why, yes I am.
pirates, we need to clap tip in the hill. Clap! Clap! Do one final battle. Okay, Portside, give it all you've got. We'll show them who's boss. Hands up! Wave the hands up! Clap your hands! Go crazy! Jump it out! Let's go, Cabo!
Landlubber, 'tis I, Captain Hook. Me crew and I are commandeering your little party. 'Tis high time you learned our bloodthirsty crew really celebrates. Right, you swabs?
Mickey won't let you get away with this! You party poopers!
Hold on to your peg legs. It's time to get this party rockin'. Captain Hook style!
Let's do this!
myself, of course. But my Bon Jovi haircut looks great. All business in the front and party in the back. All right, bitches. Are you ready to rock out, Maria, now? All right. Follow me. We're gonna wave those sails. Wave those sails just like that. Coil some rope and punch the sky and punch it over and over. Simple, yes? You got it? Brilliant. Here we go. Wave those sails.
You know what I think can really get this party rocking?
Rum.
Oh, rum would definitely help. But no, if we all rock together.
That's the best idea you've had since the rum.
Thank you. All right, everybody. You know the drill. Follow us to get ready to rock.
You heard her, folks. Let's all rock together. Everyone jump!
Is this outrage? Enough! See? What this celebration really needs is a great hook. And now you have one.
Not again. We need some pirates who can really rock out. Captain Hook style.
And here they be. And what a motley crew.
The artist. The artist. Do you know how to air guitar? Clearly you already do. Okay. Well, let's see if you know how to really rock. Dance, fools. Dance.
Enough! And you call yourself a pirate?
Mickey won't let us get away with this.
Oh no! It looks like Captain Hook is straight taking over the Disney Wonder! What are we going to do? I don't know, but we need a hero! But it's so late! Who's going to be our hero at this hour? Who's
We keep